Click Cool Flights. And just before we head out of this cool flight pack, a travel tip for you. When visiting exotic locations, find out what types of diseases are common to the area you will be visiting and take the necessary steps to prevent your exposure to those diseases. A cool travel tip for you as you go on your way. Again, a reminder your next update will be at 3 minutes to the hour.
This is Headline News on Cool 97 FM. Current, accurate, and concise.
Good morning to you and welcome. This is your morning news here on Cool 97 FM. We begin with a look at local stories. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says that local law enforcement agents are working with their counterparts in the United States to track down members of the criminal network behind the shipment of ghost guns seized at the Montego Bay Freeport last Friday. During the operation, the police seized 22 firearms and a quantity of ammunition. It was later revealed that the weapons were untraceable ghost guns, which have become the weapon of choice for criminals. According to Chang, the government will have to review legislation to ensure that possession of the computer-generated weapon is illegal. Meanwhile, police from the Narcotics Division seized 2.5 grams of cocaine and arrested an employee at the Sangster International Airport on Sunday. Reports are that members of the Narcotics Division and a Customs Contraband Enforcement team were carrying out operations at the airport when the employee was seen acting in a manner that aroused their suspicion. He was subsequently accosted and searched, resulting in 4 parcels containing the drug being found in his possession. The man was arrested, but his identity is being withheld pending further investigation by the police. And still locally, Transport Minister Audley Shaw says the full arm of the law will be brought to bear against persons who have been selling and illegally obtaining driver's licenses. Addressing the official launch of York Castle High School's driver's education program in Brownstown, Shaw says that for too long, the practice of purchasing licenses has gone unabated, allowing persons, many with no driving experience, to be on the road operating motor vehicles. And in regional news in the Bahamas, the governor of the Central Bank of the Bahamas, John Roll, says the country experienced economic growth of between 7 and 9% last year. Addressing the release of the monthly economic and financial developments for December, Roll said that the latest economic data through the fourth quarter of 2022, indicated a continued healthy recovery of the Bahamian economy from the coronavirus pandemic. He said the projected economic growth for 2022 has been mostly driven by rebounded tourism inflows and that foreign investment and activities also provided steady stimulus concentrated in tourism development projects and residential real estate. Further afield now in the United States, the administration of President Joe Biden says that it will end COVID-19 emergency declarations on May 11, nearly 3 years after the country imposed sweeping pandemic measures to curb the spread of the illness. The COVID-19 national emergency and public emergency were put in place in 2020 by then President Donald Trump. Biden has repeatedly extended the measures which allow millions of Americans to receive free testing, vaccines, and treatments. The move to end the national emergency and public health emergency declarations would formally restructure the federal coronavirus response to treat the virus as an endemic threat to the public health that can be managed through agencies' normal authorities. And that's our look at local, regional, and international news headlines. Returning now to your morning sports report. And we begin with a look at cricket. The West Indies women ended the South Africa Women's Tri-Series without a win after suffering an 8-wicket defeat at the hands of India at Buffalo Park yesterday. Captain Hayley Matthews made a top score of 34, while under-19 player Zayda James made 21 not out, as the Windies women were restricted to just 94 for 6 off their 20 overs, after India won the toss and chose to field first. Off-spinner Deepti Sharma starred with the ball for India with 3 for 11 from her 4 overs, while medium pacer Pooja Vastrakar took 2 for 19 from her 4 overs. West Indies women have now lost 10 T20 internationals in a row. India will now take on South Africa in the Tri-Series final on Thursday. And still with cricket, but with the men, fast bowler Shannon Gabriel and left-arm spinner Gudakesh Moti collected 2 wickets apiece as West Indies' three-day game against Zimbabwe 11 finished in a draw yesterday. The 34-year-old Gabriel, on a comeback after having not featured in a test in 15 months, claimed 2 for 21, while Moti, a 27-year-old with a single test under his belt, picked up 2 for 24. The Zimbabwe 11, resuming the morning on 52 for 5, were dismissed for 122 in their first innings in response to the Caribbean side's 517. West Indies take on Zimbabwe in the opening test starting Saturday at Queen's Sports Club. In football now, Chelsea have bid 120 million euros or £105.6 million for Benfica's Argentina midfielder Enzo Fernandez in a move that would make him the British transfer record signing. So far, there is no indication whether the Blues' offer, thought to include installments, will be accepted. But if the deal does go through, it would eclipse the £100 million Manchester City paid Aston Villa for Jack Grealish in 2021. Fernandez was named Young Player of the Tournament during Argentina's World Cup triumph in Qatar. Benfica have previously accused Chelsea of trying to unsettle the midfielder, with the Portuguese side's manager Roger Schmidt declaring their pursuit closed. And that's our look at sports at this time. Your next update will be at midday. Turning now to your weather report and forecast, courtesy of the Met Service. The significant feature at this time is a high-pressure ridge and a low-level jet stream across Jamaica. Both the ridge and low-level jet stream are projected to remain across the island for another few days. A low-level jet stream is a narrow band of fast-flowing wind in the lower levels of the atmosphere. This morning, look for isolated showers across north central and eastern parishes, with partly cloudy conditions elsewhere. Windy conditions are also expected along the north coast. This afternoon, partly cloudy conditions also expected with isolated showers across western parishes. Windy conditions are expected mainly across northern parishes. Tonight is expected to become fair. And a small craft warning remains in effect for inshore and offshore areas of the north coast due to strong winds and rough seas. In the 3-day forecast now, on Wednesday and Thursday, isolated morning showers across north central and eastern parishes, while in the afternoon look for partly cloudy conditions with isolated showers across western parishes and windy conditions especially across northern parishes. On Friday, it's partly cloudy morning with isolated afternoon showers across western parishes. In other current regional weather features, there is a cold front entering the Gulf of Mexico. That's our look at weather, and that concludes our morning news here on Cool 97 FM. Your next newscast will come your way at midday. I'm Ishika Graham. Good morning.
Join us weekdays for headline news on Cool 97 FM. Current, accurate, and concise.
Good morning, everyone. Hello? Hello? Oh, sorry, I was on mute. Okay, I see we have just about everyone, and of course, Tom drops off, as per usual. Let's just wait a minute here. He always comes right back, and we're almost ready, and... oh, whoever's dog that is, please go on mute. Why won't it let me share my screen? Okay, looks like we're ready to start.
We're like a video conference with no technical issues. CG United. Good like that.
We all want to go higher, higher in this life. BPM Financial is the way to go higher, higher in this life. At BPM, your dreams are possibilities. At BPM Financial, we'll share your hope, help you build, we'll help you save for what life brings. Higher in this life.
Visit us at 1A Holborn Road. BPM Financial, taking you higher.
In case of an earthquake and the place starts shaking, drop, cover, and hold on. Drop, cover, and hold on. In case of an earthquake.
Case of an earthquake, you gotta stay calm. Move away from doors, windows, and things that can fall. Try not to use steps or elevators at all.
Learn how to protect yourself during an earthquake. Log on to weready.org. That's weready.org for more information.
Love and hate.
This Tuesday, January 31, Cool 97 FM presents Live Tuesday in tribute to the Crown Prince of Reggae, Dennis Emmanuel Brown.
Here I come.
And introducing the monthly feature Mikey T's Young Treasures, performing originals and Dennis Brown covers. Hear from Trinell Robinson, Andre Shepard, and Rory Baugh, all backed by the dominant Progression Band. Go live with Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson inside Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, streaming live on cool97fm.com. Brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water and Braham's Texaco Service Station. Live Tuesday gets to the root of the music each week from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. only on the nation's coolest Cool 97 FM.
All right, you heard it. Good morning to you and welcome. You're inside the program Cool Mellow Morning. Yes. Not quite cool tones yet. The morning is still mellow, yeah. And we're heading into Live Tuesday right now. So we do want to welcome you to Live Tuesday here on Cool 97 FM. That's where you get your weekly dose of the coolest emerging and established music makers. And this morning we have something very, very special for you. It is the 31st day of January. And that means that tomorrow is February 1, which is an important day. Now, with over 80 studio albums, close to 70 compilation and posthumous albums, not to mention those live albums and film features. This morning, we are pleased to bring you a celebration of the music and the life of the man dubbed the Crown Prince of Reggae, none other than the legendary Dennis Emmanuel Brown. Now, February 1st is certainly lodged in most of our minds, and certainly in the minds of those Dennis Brown loyalists, right? An important day, and certainly tomorrow will mark 66 years since his birth. I often say that you can't just play one Dennis Brown. You play one and you fall into the catalog, and, with good reason. So those moving lyrics, the love songs, the ideas, and of course the unmistakable voice that delivers them continue to and will continue to impact us well beyond today. And so we give thanks for this giant. We give thanks for those who continue to lift him up and bring his music to us. In true Live Tuesday fashion this morning, we will bring you music from the Dennis Brown catalog, and we are pleased to also present to you a new feature which we will see monthly, and we're talking about Mikey T's Young Treasures, which will present you with emerging talents to watch. And of course, Mikey will tell you some more about that as time goes by. Yes, this morning our guests in studio include Trinell Robinson. Now, Trinell got an early start in music and has seemingly never let go of of that passion. In 2020, she released her debut single and joins us this morning to give us some more insights. Saxophonist Daniel John Jackson is also with us. He is also an arranger and ministers through music, sharing soulful sounds across the length and breadth of the island. They are backed by the Dominant Progression Band, and you'll be hearing from them all morning long. Now, Live Tuesday is brought to you by our kind sponsors, Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. It's bottled by Health Creations Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine, and you may call them at 876-649-0386. And we say thanks to Yvonne Hope and Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering for providing breakfast for our performers and crew this morning. And we have additional sound support provided by Keymix Audio. A reminder, cool listeners, that in addition to listening on Cool 97 FM, we are also streaming on cool97fm.com. So head on over to our website, click the Live Tuesday tile, and while there, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cool TV. All right, so we're going to get into the music. We get things going right now with Daniel John Jackson, saxophonist. Guest inside Live Tuesday this morning, and we welcome him now. He'll be joining me for a little sit down. Yes, have a seat, Daniel John. Oh my goodness, there's something so haunting about the saxophone. And I know we've spoken to you about this already, Daniel John, but what made you choose this instrument?
One of them is that I had a preference for the saxophone for a long while, but
I'm not hearing you.
Are you hearing me now?
Yes, I hear you now. So yes, I had asked why choose the saxophone?
All right, so a number of reasons. One of them is that I wanted to transition to a different instrument from the clarinet, which was my first instrument, to another instrument. And I saw an opportunity to use a saxophone. I'm saying, okay, I could be more expressive on this. I can, do more justice with a song through the saxophone. So I said, all right, I'll choose this one. And it was one of the best choices I've ever made because it speaks to me. It helps me, express my passion.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Okay. And so something I've been curious about too is if you've ever gone vocal, like used your voice. You're like, you should see this smile on this face. Okay. Yes, so speak. I feel like there's a history there. So tell us.
All right. So this is the third time someone has approached me and said, your voice sounds like you can't sing. And I said, what? I haven't done this in a while. So initially, I used to sing until taking up the instrument and say, all right, I like the sound of the instrument more than my voice, so I'm going to.
What? So when you say sing, you were in a choir on stage or you sing in a bathroom?
All of the above.
Well, it really sounds like you fell in love with the saxophone to have, gone to that over using your voice outright.
Indeed.
Wow.
Though there are points where my voice can go to, my voice can go to a point, but the saxophone.
It gives you more range.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And so I've read that you are an arranger, but you also compose your own.
Yes, I do, but I haven't recorded any,
Okay.
unfortunately.
So that is where I'm going now. So I would love to hear an album coming from you and maybe a collaboration. I'm going to throw this out there, a collaboration with maybe a Dean Fraser. Hello, Good morning, Dean Fraser. How are you doing? Yes, so talk to us. Album.
Yes, I have visions of doing an album. I've actually had the idea of a song on it already called Waiting.
And we are waiting now.
Definitely. But I have the vision. I've also penned out some stuff to do and have been draped about it that it needs to hurry up and come. So definitely I have visions of doing that. Currently I'm working on establishing my name, establishing relationships, connections, and tunneling through.
That's a good way. That's a good place to start. And moving now into as a young treasure, as somebody building and emerging in the music space, certainly you have had influences moving forward. And one of these influences, I imagine, just because I've been bowled over by Dennis Brown myself,
Yes.
I assume that you have been impacted by this wonderful
Most definitely.
person. And so talk to us about that. What kind of impact has Dennis Brown had on you?
Growing up, he had a great impact on me because listening to his music compared to other reggae music, it was unique. Especially when it comes on to the slow, mellow reggae. Listening to it, I'm like, wow, who didn't come up with this? This is just so interesting to me and it baffles me. Yes, it just sends me in a chill mood, especially Love Has Found Its Way.
Oh, God.
Every time I hear the song, I hear something different. I just have a new appreciation for the song and I'm like, wow, I love this song.
Oh, boy.
And not just that song only. His songs in general, the tone of his voice and how he arranges, or he and his partners arrange these beautiful melody. It's amazing to me. One of the things that sticks out is the incorporation of horn phrases in his music.
Yes.
It's a beautiful touch. I just love that, and it has helped me in putting horn phrases in songs and formulating horn phrases for different aspects.
See, now you are putting me in tune with that. So now I'm going to, when I listen to these songs, I'm going to be listening for those phrases, although I'm not a saxophonist, you know. But now you're teaching me to hear these things too. And that's so magical. All right, so I'm going to put you on the spot. Okay. This is a difficult question for me to answer, but I'm going to ask you to name a favorite Dennis Brown song. All right, you can have three. I'll give you three. Yes.
Little Green Apples, sorry. Love Has Found Its Way, and Promised Land.
Okay. I can see that. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's so many to choose. I feel like you can rotate your favorites every single week. You know what I mean?
Yes.
With Dennis Brown songs.
It's
all right.
timeless.
Absolutely. All right. So, a final question for you. I know you've been very busy. We did speak to you back in December. So, what have you been up to since then?
I've been doing a number of private shows, ranging from weddings to corporate functions, to name a few. To what end I'm lacking sleep because I came in late yesterday.
You must take care of yourself, you know, Daniel.
I will.
Okay, please do. Yes. All right. So if persons want to get in touch with you for those private events, corporate events, weddings, February is coming up, you know. Valentine's.
Yes.
If you want to sweep somebody off their feet with a saxophone, Mikey T, my mic. If you want to sweep someone off their feet with a saxophone, you can contact Daniel John Jackson. Do you have a business line, or is it Instagram that people would contact you?
Both. They can reach out to me at 894-7435. Again, 894-7435. On Instagram, you can find me at Daniel John Soul Music.
Okay.
Again, Daniel John Soul Music.
Fantastic. That's Daniel John Jackson, our very first guest inside Live Tuesday this morning on Cool 97 FM. What is the time? It is 7:31. All right, so we do have another song for Daniel to give us, but we're going to bring that to you on the other side of the break. Thank you so very much, Danielle, and all the very best. Looking forward to hearing so much more from you.
Indeed.
All right, so here we go. Shop tiles, bathroom fixtures, faucets, lighting, windows and doors, plus so much more at Home and Things. Get everything you need to renovate your space. Home and Things, Old Hope Road and Constant Spring Road. The time by Home and Things, brands you know, brands you can trust. It is 7:31.
The first recipe for happiness is avoid lengthy meditation on the past. A cool message from Andre Maroy on Cool 97 FM.
Quartz engine oils by Total Energies are engineered with advanced molecules that protect your engine from extreme temperature, pressure, and sludge buildup to reduce mechanical wear, so you save on maintenance and keep your engine's power. Choose the right Total Energies lubricant to protect and extend the life of your equipment. Quartz for light vehicle engines, Rubia for heavy-duty engines such as trucks and buses, Hyper for motorcycle engines. Total Energies engine oils perfectly lubricate and protect your engine in any condition.
Planning to spruce up your space with a fresh paint job? Tune in to Cool 97 FM daily for painting tips courtesy of Lanco Paints, durable by nature. Avoid those common painting mistakes and get the job done right. That's painting tips for your home, office, and workspace. Brought to you by Lanco Paints, durable by nature, on the nation's coolest Cool 97 FM.
Here's your chance to get interactive, and you can get interactive inside Cool Tones each Tuesday.
Just text in your song request on the Cool text line.
That's 876-832-7879 between 9 and 10 a.m. And then listen for your favorites played for one super cool hour. It's Text In Tuesday from 11 a.m. to noon inside Cool Tones. You've been sending in those requests. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite tunes on Cool 97 FM. Text In Tuesday is sponsored by Lanco Paints, durable by nature. Quintana Pharmacy, it's all good inside. And Goshen Auto Parts and more. To serve quality is our only aim.
Let's do it.
Just one positive thought in the morning will change the outcome of your entire day. I am Rosamond Brown. Join me Monday to Friday at 8 a.m. here on Cool 97 FM for Power Thoughts. The morning edition is brought to you by BPM Financial Limited, taking you higher. Secure a monthly income for your living expenses in retirement or get an emergency fund for the unexpected. Start your day with a power thought. Change your thinking. Change your life. Monday to Friday mornings at 8.
Are you getting married and don't know where to start? At Family Bridal Boutique, we've got you covered. We offer a wide variety of wedding dress rental packages, tuxedo and wedding dress rental packages starting from $50,000 and up. Please give us a call at 876-353-3568. That is 876-353-3568. Don't wait.
There's a popular myth that claims you're just too young for heart problems. The fact is you're never too old or too young to begin taking care of your heart. Listen in daily for useful heart health tips courtesy of Partners Interventional Center of Jamaica. Remember, heart conditions don't discriminate. That's tips for your heart health brought to you by Partners Interventional Center of Jamaica, a center of excellence for cardiovascular care in the Caribbean. Right here, Cool 97 FM.
So, we are back with you with a reminder for the lovers, yes, because Cool is going to take care of you for Valentine's Day. Yes, all you have to do is send us something. Send us a video of yourself and your Valentine and let us know why you deserve to win our Valentine's sweepstakes, all right? So, the steps are easy. Just visit our website, cool97fm.com, and click on the Valentine's Sweepstakes button. Fill out the form, follow those instructions. It's a 20 to 30 second video that you need to submit with you and your loved one, your special person, all right? And with that entry, you stand the chance of winning a cozy massage with your partner from GenCare Skin Farm. You may also stand the chance to win a dinner for two from Trio Grill and Wine Bar, plus gift-wrapped roses from Shields and Shields, and gift packages from Brute and Jergens Skin Smoothie, and that's all courtesy of Massey Distributors. Visit our website, cool97fm.com, and find out those details and submit yes, because we want to know what it takes to make love work. Yep. All right, so we're saying good morning to you once again. And if you're just joining us, you are inside the program Live Tuesday here on Cool 97 FM. And we're doing a pre-birthday celebration in the name of Dennis Brown this morning. And in the spirit of continuity, we're showcasing some young treasures. So far, we've heard from Daniel John Jackson, and he has promised us one more song. All right, before we head on over to Trinell Robinson. So stay tuned. Also coming up this morning, we get into some live recordings, and we also speak to Colin Leslie, a man who has had a long history in Jamaican music, working closely with Dennis Brown and is now part of the Dennis Brown Trust. And we'll hear more about that later on this morning. But we do want to say big thanks to our sponsors who help us to bring you this program. Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creations Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. And you may call them at 876-649-0386. And we also remind you that you can watch what's going on in studio. Yes, we are bringing it to you live. You can listen on cool97fm.com, but also you can watch. Visit cool97fm.com, click the Live Tuesday tile, and you can watch our program. And while you're on our Cool TV channel, make sure to like the stream, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel. All right, so we're going to jump back over to Daniel John Jackson, our first guest and saxophonist, for a final dip into the musical space. Here we go. Thank you so very much, Danielle. And we remind you that you are inside the program live Tuesday right here on Cool 97 FM. Now we're going to head on over to our next performer, but first we're going to have a little chit chat with her. We're talking about Trinell Robinson. She will be joining me in studio. Good morning, Trinell.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody.
How you doing?
I'm doing wonderful.
Them wake you up early out of your bed.
So early.
Lord have mercy. If you come sing too.
I was so tired.
My goodness. Well, we thank you so very much for making it out and spending this time with us. Trinell, how did you get involved in music?
Well, so I started singing from I was around age 7, singing at church concerts on the Sunday school choir until I transitioned to the youth and adult choir.
Oh.
And then I met with my friends from the Dominant Progression Band, and then we started to take the music to another level.
Oh,
so
wow.
I started about at age 23.
Wow. No, wait, you started singing about 7.
Well, professionally.
And then you started professionally at 23. So it's been a lifelong journey for you.
It has
wow.
been.
And so you mentioned starting to pursue music professionally. What led you to that decision?
I just loved it. It gave me a different feeling than when I was in school at the time.
Mm-hmm.
I was not focused on school. I was more focused on the music because it brought out a different personality that I didn't know I had.
Mm-hmm.
So that's when I knew this is what I wanted to
Wow.
do.
Did you eventually study music formally?
No, I continued.
Practice, in practice. All right. All right. Sometimes it is, you get your hands on the actual thing, and that also helps you as well. All right. So tell me, Trinell, is there a particular genre that you're pulled to more than others?
Yes, I'm more of a soul and R&B and reggae
Mm-hmm.
person.
Okay.
And my favorite singer is Whitney Houston.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. So do you test yourself at the Whitney?
Oh yes. But I can never be at her level. But yes.
You're a good girl.
Yes.
You're a good girl.
Hopefully one day, but not yet.
Yes. Whitney is quite the feat. Quite the feat, yes. All right. So 2020 was a big year for you. It was certainly a year that it weighed on a lot of us, but you made a big move by releasing your debut single. Tell us about that. Tell us about that song.
Okay, so my friends and I from the Dominant Progression Band, we were home, not doing anything, not getting any gigs. I was home making videos, and then I got a call. Hey, we have a song. We'd love you to be on it. And it was up from there. It was amazing. I was working with my friends. When I heard the finished product, I didn't know I could sound that good.
Wow.
So it was just amazing. And I knew that there is more that I can do, and there is more where I could go.
Mm-hmm. What's the name of that song?
We Can Make It.
We Can Make It.
Right.
What a message for 2020.
Right.
Yeah. And to be looking back from 2023 with a guiding song like that.
Mm-hmm.
So it was written for you? Is that what you're saying?
It was written for me.
Okay. And so what kind of message did that song move you?
It moved me because I was crippled with fear as well.
Mm-hmm. As many of us were.
Yes, so that song spoke about my fear, and it relates so much to me. So yes.
Mm-hmm. So tell me about production. Who produced that song?
Jordan Storrow. He's the guy on keys out there.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So it's the Dominant Progression Band is a whole storehouse of talent.
Yes.
Both on
Yes, we
stage and in the studio.
Yes, we are.
I'm getting to understand that. And also that collaboration is so key in this work. Yes.
It is.
Very important. All right. So talk to us about any upcoming projects. Now, you release a single in 2020. You kind of whet people's appetites. And so, and now you are here on Cool, and you've been here before. So we're kind of looking forward to what Trinell has in store. So tell us, what is coming up?
I have another single in store this year. I won't get into much details, but you can look out for me this year. And I have some other shows coming up. In February, I have Love Gives. It's a charity show that we're trying to help a family build a home.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Mhm.
So, yes, I'm looking forward to that as well.
Okay. All right. So be sure to send us those details about whatever events you have coming up, and certainly those releases, because we want to know what you're doing, Trinell.
course.
Yes. And after we hear you, after the people hear you, they're going to want to pay attention too. So I put Daniel John on the spot. So I'm going to do the same for you and ask you about the kind of impact that someone like Dennis Brown has had on you as a young talent and as a person in the world hearing this magical music.
Yeah.
What kind of impact has his music had on you?
Great. When I need inspiration to sing my reggae songs, that's where I go.
Wow.
His songs are on repeat every day.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow, that's no joke.
No,
That is
it isn't.
no joke. And you can't get tired of Dennis
No,
Brown,
you
you know?
cannot. You cannot. Most definitely.
All right, so talk to us about the choices, because you're going to be singing some covers today.
Right.
So what about those choices? How did you make the choices that you made today?
They are two of my favorite songs from Dennis.
Mm-hmm.
Should I and Love Has Found His Way. I know Daniel
Lord
spoke
have
about
mercy,
it.
no.
You know, that song was well produced, well written. I love the musicality of it. I love his vocals on it. you know.
Wow.
Very
Okay. Okay. All right. So we know what you're working on. We know we have to look forward to something. Yes. And we know that we are certainly looking forward to hearing you belt out those tunes. And certainly Dennis will feel honored, I think, by us sharing this and the continuity happening with the younger generation. So thank you very much, Trinell Robinson, for joining me. And she's going to make her way out now to the cool stage to perform for us. And we remind you that this program is brought to you by our cool sponsors, Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. It's bottled by Health Creations Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. And you can also watch our stream on cool97fm.com. Click on the Live Tuesday tile and you can tune in. We turn now to Trinell Robinson on the cool stage. Over to you, Trinell.
In you. beautiful sea, I choose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the skies. You're a shooting star I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we will be one right away. Oh, right away. I knew that we felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the light inside your eyes. So shine bright tonight, you and I. Yeah. We're beautiful like diamonds in the skies. Eye to eye, so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. 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 Da 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 day 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 day. Fine light.
And we're gonna give you a bit more. She has a lot more, all right? Those Dennis Brown tributes are gonna come your way on the other side of the break. So we do invite you to stay with us as we head on to our flights now. Good morning to you once again. I'm Yashika Graham, sitting in for Diane Thomas this morning, and we are up in the skies for a look at your cool flights. We begin with a look at your departures. And as it turns out, we do not have any departures, but we of course want to remind you that wherever you find yourself in the world, you can keep your cool station close, and you do this by logging on to our website, cool97fm.com. And we turn now to a cool travel tip. Yes. All right, so remember that the earlier in advance before your vacation that you book your flights and accommodation, the more likely you are to get those lower rates and good package deals. So be sure to talk to your travel agents early. Yes, and before your trip, check your travel insurance policy to make sure you are covered for expenses caused by travel delays as well as cancellation coverage. Yep. Make sure that you are covered. A cool travel tip for you as we head on over to your arrivals. And we've got just one of those. JetBlue Airways B61059 arrives in Kingston from New York at 8:59. And Cool 97 FM welcomes all arriving passengers to the island. And I do believe I have another cool travel tip for you. But, of course, I do want to remind you as well that in addition to listening to us on Cool 97 FM, you can also listen on our website, cool97fm.com. Yes, and you can check out our website. And you can check out our channel, Cool 97 TV, on YouTube. All right, so here's another cool travel tip. Expect changes and go with the flow. When traveling, don't sweat the stuff you can't control, all right? To have fun throughout your trip, patience is going to be key. So if you miss your bus, don't worry, there will be another one. And if a store is closed, that is okay too. Go explore and take an unplanned road trip to the next part of town, to another part of town, or another part of this city, you may just find a hidden gem that you'll want to visit on your next vacation. And that's a cool travel tip for you as we wrap up your cool flight pack. Your next update will come your way at 3 minutes to the hour.
Travel with Knutsford Express from 15 locations island-wide and enjoy daily connections to and from the Montego Bay and Kingston airports. Book your ticket today at knutsfordexpress.com. Knutsford Express, your flight connector, moving what matters.
And the time brought to you by Knutsford Express, your flight connector, moving what matters. It is 8 o'clock.
Cool 97 Radio.
Welcome to Power Thoughts, the morning edition. It's brought to you by BPM Financial Limited, taking you higher. Secure a monthly income for your living expenses in retirement or get an emergency fund for the unexpected. This week's Power Thoughts are excerpts from the Motivation Manifesto, 9 Declarations to Claim Your Personal Power. It's written by New York Times best-selling author Brendan Burchard. It's powerful and there may be a message for you. Most of us are not maturing as fast as we're able. We're on a constant pause. We wait and we wait to find out who we are, to declare our dreams, to struggle for what we want, to open ourselves fully to love and to life. We await personal courage to rise with us, or for society to grant us permission to activate our potential. We've forgotten that courage is a choice, and that permission to move forward with boldness is never given to the fearful masses. Most of us have forgotten that seeking change always requires a touch of insanity. We must remember that we are not the sum of our intentions. We're the sum of our actions. Bold and disciplined initiative is what allows us to rise, to leap, and to soar to the heights of greatness. It's time to begin something grand, something important. That's your Power Thought for today. Join us next time for more from Brendan Burchard's powerful book, The Motivation Manifesto, 9 Declarations to Claim Your Power. I'm Rosamond Brown. Talk to you next time. That's our Power Thought for today. It's brought to you by BPM Financial Limited, taking you higher. If you missed this program or you just want to hear it again, go to cool97fm.com and click on podcasts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cool 97 TV on YouTube for more cool content.
What better way to spend your Thursday afternoons than with your favorite frequencies on Cool 97 FM? The vibes are on every Thursday, aka Friday Junior, with Heather Cummings-Williams and Craig the Young Lion Ross as we vibe with our sponsors. It's groovy selections courtesy of Trio Grill and Wine Bar. Call 876-616-7428 for info on their specially themed days. It's the nation's feel-good radio, every Thursday afternoon, 1 to 5 p.m.
So will you be loved?
Cool 97 is showing you big love for Valentine's 2023. If you're about to plan your advertising campaign for the season of love, then here's your Big Love discount special.
Buy any one of our approved packages and get one free. 2 for 1 is hard to beat.
Unbeatable. Ask your sales executive for the details. Don't have one? Well, send us an email at salesandmarketing@cool97fm.com.
14 days of big love. January 23 to February 6. It's 2 for 1 on approved packages. Contact sales and marketing at cool97fm.com.
Or call 876-978-9161. Conditions apply.
So will you be
Wowell, Miracle Care for Women. Wowell is the best supplement for all kinds of female menstrual problems, like irregular cycles, abnormal bleeding, menstrual pain, and menopausal problems. No prescription required. Ask your pharmacist today. Distributed by Pulse and RDL. Call 790-4880.
Mommy, why can't dogs talk? Why do I have to go to school and you don't? Why do you sing in the morning when you're bad at it? Why don't you brush your teeth when you take me to school? Why doesn't it ever snow here? Why does Daddy take the bus to work? Why are trees so tall? Why don't you tell me where babies come from? Mommy, Mommy, Mommy!
We're like a kid that doesn't ask a million questions before noon. CG United. Good like that.
All right, so we remind you, you are inside the program Live Tuesday right here on the nation's coolest, Cool 97 FM. And this morning we're doing something very special, a pre-birthday celebration for the Crown Prince of Reggae, Dennis Emmanuel Brown. And we're doing so with the support of some individuals who carry on the musical tradition of this island. All right, so we have some young treasures with us. Saxophonist Danielle John Jackson is here. And you've also heard a bit from Trinell Robinson. She'll be singing her covers inside of this segment, and the Dominant Progression Band. Yes, that's who you're hearing out there as well, the Dominant Progression Band. And we thank them all for their support. All right, so we remind you, Live Tuesday is brought to you by Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. It's bottled by Health Creations Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. And you may call them at 876-649-0386. And it's also brought to you by Braham's Texaco, striving for excellence always at 15 Harbour Street, Port Antonio, Portland. We have catering this morning by Yvonne Hope and the team of Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Additional sound support coming to us from Keymix Audio. And we remind you that you can watch what's happening in studio by logging onto our website, cool97fm.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cool97 TV. And don't forget to like and leave a comment. Let us know what you think about these new treasures, these young treasures. All right, Trinell, we hope you're ready because we're heading right back to you. Here's Trinell Robinson on the Cool Stage.
Love has found its way in our hearts today. Yeah. Love has found its way in our hearts today. When your love is beautiful, there's nothing that can go wrong. When two hearts beat together, it's like an everlasting song. It's like an everlasting song. The moon shines bright over yonder, yeah. There's not made me so fine. I'm so thankful, baby, that Jah has made you mine. I'm so thankful that Jah has made you mine. Love has found its way in our hearts today, yeah. Love has found its way in our hearts today. In our hearts today. Well, today. Yeah, love has found its way in our hearts today. In our hearts today. In our hearts today. In our hearts today. Should I have faith in you? Should I put my trust in you? And should I let you down? Should I float around? Why should I think this way? Thinking that you're going away. There ain't no way we stay together anymore. Am I to go on now, living this way? Acting like a child so young and gay. You don't know what it means to be loved. You don't know what it feels to be heard. Oh no. Oh no. I've got to tell you this. Your love I've tried to resist, for I can't go on like this, pretending it's you make me feel so bad. You make me feel so sad whenever to share your love. Am I to go on now, living this way? Acting like a child so young and gay. You don't know what it means to be loved. You don't know how it feels to be loved. Oh no. Oh no, yeah. 'Cause you don't know what it means to be loved. You don't know how it feels to be hugged.
Of course, with the dominant progression band. Oh my goodness. Yes. Promising things. Yes. Certainly a young treasure and lots to come from this group of young talents. All right. So we continue with Live Tuesday now. You're on at Cool 97 FM, of course. We are doing a pre-birthday celebration of the Crown Prince of Reggae. We're talking about Dennis Emmanuel Brown, all right? And the program continues all the way until 9 a.m. And of course, we say thanks to our sponsors, Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. It's bottled by Health Creations Industries in White Marl, St. Catherine. And you may call them at 876-649-0386. And Braham's Texaco, striving for excellence always at 15 Harbour Street, Port Antonio, Portland. We've got catering from Yvonne and the Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, and sound support from Keymix Audio. Remember that you can watch this broadcast by visiting our website, cool97fm.com, and clicking the Live Tuesday tile. Now, right now, We're going to dive a bit deeper into things Dennis Brown. And we are joined now by a very important gentleman and no stranger to cool in many ways. And when I asked him his role, he told me he's the fixer, right? Or he's been called the fixer, but he's also played many roles: road manager, bass player, under quiet, all these amazing things, but certainly a friend and someone very close to Dennis Brown. And so we're talking about Colin Leslie joining us now, also a member or the director, I believe, of the Dennis Brown Trust and Sounds and Pressure. Colin Leslie, welcome.
Thanks for having me. I feel very privileged and honored. There's so much other people you could have called, but I'm here and I'm happy to be on.
It had to be you. Good morning and welcome. We're so happy to have you with us again.
Yeah, good morning to you and your members and your listeners. Happy to be here to talk about Dennis Brown.
All right, yes. And we never get tired of hearing the history. And so perhaps let's start with a question that you've probably gotten a lot of times, but, we never tire of hearing the history. How did you meet Dennis Brown?
Well, I've been involved in the industry for quite a while, and Dennis would have been a popular feature on most Jamaican concerts. When we got into the stage of having festivals, the first major one being Reggae Sunsplash, Dennis was a regular feature on that production, and he did very well. I can just see him now dressed in white. He used to love to wear white on stage when he's performing. But that was basically how I got involved and got to meet him back in the day.
And how old was he at that point?
Well, Dennis passed away on the 1st of July 1999 at the age of 42 years old. So I figured he probably would have been in his 30s in those days.
When you met him first?
Yes. Early 30s.
Mm-hmm.
But his whole history and his legacy is quite amazing. We formed the Dennis Brown Trust the year after he died in 2000, and it's been going very strong.
Mm-hmm.
We have done so much things, charity, health fairs, what have you. A fact that a lot of Jamaicans don't know is that when somebody asked Bob Marley who was his favorite singer, Jamaican singer, he said Dennis Brown.
Wow. That's a statement. That is certainly a statement.
A huge statement. But he has done so much. He has been nominated 3 times. He had 3 Grammy nominations, On the British charts, he's the only Jamaican that really had a major hit on the British charts as an artist and a producer, which was also very big. In terms of the national public radio in America, he's in the top 50 singers. In terms of Rolling Stone top 200 singers, he's number 67 and the highest Jamaican on that list. And I could go on and on.
Wow. Such a rich bounty. Yeah. Colin, can you tell us, please, what do you think made Dennis so special? To have produced so much work is one thing. To impact the world with your voice and this moving quality of voice and these magical creations in the music itself, right? But to be so prolific, to make so much in such short a time, right? What creates a person like that?
It's divine. That's all I can say. It's divinely inspired, divinely created. Dennis actually wrote over 890 songs, and he recorded something like 75 albums. 890 songs. He recorded more. He did a lot of covers. One cover that I like to speak about,
mm-hmm.
I'm sure Mikey will agree with me. There's a song called Little Green Apples that was originally recorded by an artist called O.C. Smith. Well, Dennis Brown's version of that, his cover of that song, is the most popular in the world. If you go on YouTube or one of those things, you will see something like over 800,000 views. And if you punch Little Green Apples on any of the search engines, Dennis Brown will come up first.
Listen, I just want to say, I don't blame the world at all. It's so beautiful. It is so very beautiful.
Yeah, but he was awarded the office, what do you call it, a CD from the government of Jamaica. I think it was in 2005, I believe. I can't remember. And we used to have Dennis Brown concerts downtown. It started approximately before 2005, but we switched to Orange Street. And of course, it grew so big that we had to go down to the waterfront in 2010. I think that was the year we were in downtown on the waterfront. Of course, we haven't had it for the past couple of years because of the pandemic, etc., etc. But those are memorable things too that everybody looked forward to. Birthday concert.
So if we go back to Dennis Brown's impact, and certainly what we find in Jamaica is that there is an excitement about music. There is an excitement about creative work. There is also a sense of urgency around preserving, whether it's just in conversation or it's through organizations like the Dennis Brown Trust and Sound and Pressure, to keep the music that was created, the amazing gifts that we've been given, keeping those things alive. So if you could say to me, what do you think can be learned from the work that Dennis Brown has created, whether that's from the young treasures looking on, what do you think? Of course, everyone can find something in there, but what do you see as the true value and the gift that Dennis has given to the world?
Well, first of all, Jamaica is a unique country. And I remember somebody saying to Usain Bolt once that, Jamaica couldn't be a country. It has to be a small continent for the impact it has had on the world. Wow. Jamaica has given about 5 different genres of music, popular music, I should say, to the world. Started with mento, then went into ska, then we went into rocksteady, then reggae, and then we're now into dancehall. I think from a therapeutic point of view, the music that has been created by people like Dennis Brown, certainly, it has sort of therapeutic value for the world. It keeps us calm, keeps us loving, and we can't have enough of that kind of thing, So I think that is the main value. What we have given to the world in music, popular music, it is unbelievable.
Talk to us about the Dennis Brown Trust. You said it was started the year after he passed away. Is that right?
Yeah, 2000, I believe it was, yes.
Okay.
We formed it. Junior Lincoln is our chairman, and he has done a very good job. We did a lot of charity work for Central Branch, which is a school that Dennis Brown attended. And we had various programs down there. We would get food supplies for them to help with their lunch program. We did health fairs and other things like that, We also have given scholarships to people from Central Branch for tertiary education. So we've done a lot of work.
So is that
in his name?
What would you say is the broad vision then?
Just to contribute to education, because he really valued that. And even in his time, he helped so many people to achieve their education, even tertiary. He did in his time. So that's part of the thing that we focus on, helping students, helping children to be educated.
Okay. And so you mentioned the birthday celebrations that used to take place. Is there anything planned for tomorrow, for this year?
Yes, the Ministry of Culture, Entertainment and Culture is having an event at the Emancipation Park tomorrow. I believe it starts at 3 o'clock. And they said, dress in white. And there's another thing, I believe, later this week at Burlington Avenue, another Dennis Brown. There are quite a few, but the main one I would say is the one tomorrow at Emancipation Park.
Okay. And talk to us about your hopes for the trust. I know it was started with a particular vision and with particular people involved, but do you have a hope that you want to see, or any efforts that you want to see manifest inside of the trust?
Well, one of our goals is really to promote his legacy, and I have to say it's been growing all over the world. I mean, in London, there's going to be so much events, parties, dances in his honor. Same thing in Europe, Canada, even as far as Tanzania, Dar es Salaam. They're having celebrations there in his name, and so it's become a global thing. And we're very happy about that because, as I say, one of our main purposes is to not only to celebrate his birthday, but to promote his legacy. All the facts, all the things he achieved, all the hundreds of recordings, hundreds of compositions. We need to, to share that information with the world, especially Jamaica, to let Jamaica know exactly how creative and how hardworking and how popular Dennis Brown is. I wouldn't say was, is.
Mm-hmm. So, in terms of preservation, I know Mikey, for one, has talked about a museum of sorts or something that people could visit, something that preserves visually and in written form what Dennis Brown has achieved in the different ways. Are there any plans to have something like that brought together?
Well, we have a Jamaica Music Museum, which is a division of the Institute of Jamaica, and that's headed by Herbie Miller.
Yes, of course.
And they're about to have their groundation in Reggae Month, which has been very, very popular. It's not that popular. It's not that commonly known about, but it exists. And in terms of Dennis Brown material, there's a reggae. The largest reggae archive in the world is actually in Los Angeles. I think there are plans to bring it to Jamaica. And, of course, Dennis Brown is featured heavily in that archive, But in terms of an actual Dennis Brown museum, we haven't discussed that at this point.
And
anyway.
And in terms of the portion of Dennis Brown works that are held at the Music Museum, can you speak to that?
Not specifically, but I know that he's mentioned in that, and I know it's also featured in the archive in Los Angeles, which is the largest reggae archive in the world.
Okay. So talk to me about how can Jamaicans at home and abroad get involved in the trust?
Well, as I said, we raise money to assist students, especially students from Central Branch, and it would be very, very welcome if we would get contributions from various people. We could go through Cool 97 FM, in fact. But that is really where we'd want to go, because we always have children that are in need.
Mm-hmm.
We do breakfast feeding programs. We help with tuition, books, supplies, etc.
Okay.
So we're always happy to receive donations and support.
So how can persons wanting to offer something or contribute or connect in any way, how can they get in touch with the Dennis Brown Trust?
Well, you could call me as a member of the trust. I'd be happy to. You have my contact number, 385-6576, and I would lead you to the right direction to have that done. But that would be possibly the best way for now.
Mm-hmm. And to extend on the preservation of the music, you are also a member of Sounds and Pressure. Can you tell me a bit about that?
Yeah, Sounds and Pressure is approximately 15 years old. And the whole idea was to promote the celebration of our popular music. We actually are based downtown because we have a program for children down there, a homework program, as well as a sports program. And we're involved with sort of promoting the actual venues downtown, Prince Buster's Record Shack, for example, and other ones, Big Yard, where Dennis was born.
Mm-hmm.
To create a sort of tourism situation, not unlike New Orleans, which we are trying to work with the tourism ministry, Tourism Enhancement Fund, and other like agencies to promote Kingston as a tourist destination, primarily utilizing the music and our culture.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's what Sound and Pressure is all about.
All right. Mr. Leslie, going to ask you to hold on a little bit for us. We're going to take a little break here, but we'll be back with you. Colin Leslie is with us inside Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, and we continue on the other side of the break.
NIS pensioners, did you remember to submit your life certificate? The time by the National Insurance Scheme is?
It is 8:30.
Better slip with the foot than with the tongue. An Italian proverb. A cool message on Cool 97 FM.
This is the GOJ Minute for Tuesday, January 31. The United Nations Development Programme has launched a new 5-year development program for Jamaica geared towards multidimensional poverty reduction. Clients making payments to the Real Estate Board, REB, and Commission of Strata Corporations, CSC, are being reminded to use their Consolidated Cash Plan, CCP, and serial numbers to ensure their lodgements can be properly identified. The CarMed Group has committed to recruiting residents of Bernard Lodge in St. Catherine to fill 60% of the workforce required for the entity's new state-of-the-art warehouse distribution center situated in the community. And the Ocho Rios Fire Station in St. Anne is to be renamed in honor of late firefighter Lorenzo Garnett Dowse, who was based at that location. The station's name will be formally changed to the Ocho Rios Fire Lorenzo Garnett Dowse Memorial Building. That was the GOJ Minute. For more information about these and other stories, visit jis.gov.jm. A production of the Jamaica Information Service, the voice of Jamaica.
This vehicle safety and maintenance tip is brought to you by Hyundai Jamaica, giving you reasons to dream and drive. Basic gas replacement and air you can handle. However, for all other service and maintenance needs, visit Hyundai Service Center. Their expert team will diagnose your car's issue and have you safely back on the road in no time. Extend the life of your Hyundai. Trust their experts. Catering to all our customers across the island, Hyundai Service Center boasts state-of-the-art servicing equipment, a comprehensive parts inventory, and Hyundai-trained service technicians. Our team is the expert that ensures that you get the best from your Hyundai. This tip is brought to you by Hyundai Jamaica, giving you reasons to dream and drive.
For 50 years, Under the Law has been helping you to know your rights and how the laws of Jamaica can help you defend those rights. The program is brought to you on Tuesdays by the Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries, Grow Smart, Eat Smart, and on Thursdays by the Office of the Children's Advocate, enforcing and protecting the rights and the best interests of all children in Jamaica. Under the Law at 6:30 and 9:30 a.m. and at 4:30 and 7:30 p.m. on Cool 97 FM.
Toys, games, baby furniture, gears, clothing, school items, party supplies, tricycles, bicycles, scooters, and so much more. They're all at Child's Play, Manor Park and Mall Plaza in Kingston, and the Sovereign Village, Portmore. Child's Play, your one-stop shop for all children's needs, from expecting mothers to tweens. Call 926-0114 or visit childsplayja.com.
Here's your chance to get interactive, and you can get interactive inside Cool Tones each Tuesday.
Just text in your song request on the Cool text line.
That's 876-832-7879 between 9 and 10 a.m. And then listen for your favorites played for one super cool hour. It's Text In Tuesday from 11 a.m. to noon inside Cool Tones. You've been sending in those requests. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite tunes on Cool 97 FM. Text In Tuesday is sponsored by Lanco Paints, durable by nature. Quintana Pharmacy, it's all good inside. And Goshen Auto Parts and more. The serve quality is our only aim.
Let's do it.
Want to hear some cool, head-nodding, seat-rocking throwback tunes and more?
Turn your radio on to Cool Rhythms, Tuesdays, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. with Mixmaster Marvin and Heather Cummings-Williams.
2:30 to 3 p.m. is brought to you by Compassionate Care Medical. compassionately caring for you. 4 to 4:30 p.m. is courtesy of Korea Box Limited, your access to the world.
Keep your dial on each week to hear your favorite jams and giveaways from our sponsors.
Tuesdays on Cool 97 FM.
Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Where there's love, there's life." So we're making your Valentine's Day even lovelier with the cool Valentine Sweepstakes.
Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend?
To enter, you need to submit a 20 to 30 second video with you and your Valentine.
Tell us what's special about your love, how long you've been together, how you make things work, and why you should win the Cool Valentine Sweepstakes.
Video should be no more than 30 seconds.
Cool listeners will do the voting, and if you're in the top 2, you could win a cozy couples massage from Gencare Skin Farm and dinner for 2 at Trio Grill and Wine Bar.
Plus gift wrap roses from Shields and Shields and gift packages of Brut and Jergens Skin Smoothie, courtesy of Massey Distributors.
Love is a game you both can win. And just like that, your Valentine's Day just got better.
Both persons must be in the video. Closing date is February 10th at 5 p.m. So get started now.
Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? You are sitting at home.
All right, so we remind you are inside Live Tuesday right here on Cool 97 FM, and we're having a pre-birthday celebration in honor of the great Dennis Emmanuel Brown right here on Cool 97 FM. And of course, we're diving into his catalog by way of some young treasures. They're certainly letting us know, showing us that there is promise in the youth, all right? And that's so very important, even as we celebrate the work that has been done. All right, we do have online Colin Leslie. We're going to wrap up our conversation with him. We do want to remind you that this segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. It's bottled by Health Creations Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine, and you may call them at 876-649-0386, and Braham's Texaco, striving for excellence always at 15 Harbour Street, Port Antonio in Portland. We, of course, remind you that in addition to listening to Cool 97 FM, you can watch this stream on cool97fm.com. And once you are there on our Cool TV channel, be sure to like, be sure to comment, and be sure to subscribe. All right, so we turn back to the fixer, the man dubbed the fixer, Colin Leslie. All right, you're laughing. You're back with us. You know what? I want to know, people are always... Dennis Brown has had such a profound impact on so many people across the globe, right? And so you hear people speaking about this impact so
Absolutely.
often. So often.
There's one thing I forgot to mention. There's an organization in England, in London, in fact, that issue what they call blue plaques, and they put these plaques on the homes of very important people in culture, people like Charles Dickens, William Shakespeare, etc. Dennis Brown received a blue plaque, and it's on his home where he lived in London. And his widow is still there, Yvonne, and children, they live in England. But people ask me, what do I remember about Dennis Brown? Dennis Brown had one of the most beautiful smiles ever. A big, sunshiny smile that would really cheer you up. And in a situation, or in a culture where we have what you call screw face, I can't recall seeing Dennis not happy, not laughing, not smiling, you know. And to me, that's very important, very, especially in these times.
Wow. I think that's a good point to end on. I do want to put you on the spot too, in terms of the music. What song moves you, or what's in your top 3 maybe, if that's possible to pin down?
As I said, over 800 compositions.
Jeez,
to remember, but Silhouette, for example, which is a cover that he did, very, very popular. It was very good. Wolves and Leopards, another big one. Here I Come. And there's so much of them. And they're all really, really wonderful and well-produced recordings, you know. Mike is the expert. He would be able to tell you more of those.
Mike, he's moving his mic in here. I feel like he has something.
Do you want me to reel them off? No. Colin Leslie. Yeah. Go ahead.
You could play Silhouette. That's a nice one to play. Wolf and Leopards, another nice one. Yeah, Here I Come. Those three that come to mind right away. You know,
Caress Me Girl. Inseparable from the whole album. I mean, it could go on and on.
It's just favorites.
But really and truly, this has really been for me an experience living in the time and space when Dennis there and people can do what you do to help the foundation.
Albums, you know. 75 albums. Can you believe?
Yeah, and those were the ones we released. What about those? Still people have stuff of him that unreleased and still to come.
There you go.
Yeah,
wow.
Awesome.
A stunning life, a stunning voice, and an impact that will certainly endure. Colin Leslie, thank you so much for contributing to our celebration of Dennis Brown. And we're going to call you back, you know. Know that you are a national treasure as well, and with such a vast history and knowledge, and so we always appreciate being able to draw on you and for your contribution. So thank you so very much for joining us. That's
You're
Colin
very
Leslie.
welcome.
Yes.
All the best.
All right, take care.
Bye-bye.
All right. That's Colin Leslie signing off, and we are going to head on back to the Live Tuesday stage, and we join the Dominant Progression Band. They're going to continue some music for us, and thereafter we're going to speak to band leader Matthew Green, and he's going to give us some insights into this remarkable gathering of young talents. Are they ready, Mikey?
See, I choose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the skies. You're a shooting star, I see a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd become one right away. Oh, right away, yeah. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the light inside your eyes. So shine bright tonight, you and I. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Eye to eye, so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. 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 What? Shine bright in the beautiful sea. I choose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds. a shooting star. I see a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that it would become one right away. Oh, right away, yeah, 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 yeah. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the light inside your eyes. So shine bright tonight, you and I. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Eye to eye, so like we're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond.
Tools. It's distributed by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing and available at all leading hardware stores island-wide. Call 876-758-5583. The time by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing, it is 8:46. And you just heard a little bit more from the Dominant Progression Band. Yes, they're with us. They've been with us all morning, and they've backed Trinell Robinson and, of course, Daniel John Jackson. We are joined now by band leader Matthew Green. Good morning again, Matthew.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm not hearing you, Matthew.
Good morning. How are you?
Okay, I hear you now. How are you?
I'm doing good, giving God thanks.
All right. So you manage and you also, what do you play? What instrument do you play?
I just play just a few instruments.
Just a few? You hear this boastiness, guys?
Just percussion, keyboard. I play a little of the bass, drum every now and then.
Oh, cheer. Okay. Well, that's very good.
But in terms of professionally though, I have basically pulled back since the whole management of the band. So
there's professionally and there's professionally. Yes. Okay, so management. You're guiding the band. You're making sure they get out to these venues, to radio stations early in the morning.
Yes, everything that has to do with the logistics, bookings, everything. That's what I deal with mostly. In terms of the band leader, just correcting you, Jordan Storer, which is our keyboardist.
Is the band leader.
He's the band leader.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just the manager.
Don't fight Jordan. All right, Jordan Storer is the band leader. Yes, so you're the manager. Matthew Green is manager. All right, so we have some other members out there. Let me refer to my list, or you can probably draw on them from memory. But I'm gonna. So we have Matthew Harrison on lead guitar, Maria Marshall on bass, Jordan Storer
on keyboard,
band leader on keyboard, and we have Matthew Green on percussion. Who is this gentleman here?
This is Jordan.
This is Jordan. Hello, Jordan. Thank you both for joining us. So how did this band get started?
So there's a bit of history behind the Dominant Progression Band.
Tell us, man. Tell us the history.
So it's actually coming from a small group named Brittany and Friends. That just started off with just two persons in terms of myself and Britannia. Then Britannia introduced me to Jordan.
Mm-hmm.
Then Jordan introduced me to Demar, which is our main drummer. Then where we started from there. From there, we basically had a group called Britain Friends. Then that group basically, after a couple of years, went apart. And then the band reformed with the core members. So Trinell was a part of that Britannia and Friends group as well. That group dismantled, and then we reformed in 2017 with the Dominant Progression Band.
So this is a history of connections and
Reconnections,
reconnections, building and rebuilding. When did this all start? What's the timeline like?
Well, coming back from the beginning or just from...
From the very beginning, man.
I think it was 2014 thereabout.
Okay. Almost 10 years,
10 years,
now. Okay. So talk to me about how the band functions. Are you a backing band? Are you a session band? What do you do?
Not necessarily a backing band. What we do mostly in terms of the work that we do mostly private events and corporate events.
Mm-hmm.
So we do a lot of weddings, awards function, birthday parties, dinners, everything that you can think about corporate in terms of their different functions, and private, as I say, in terms of wedding workshops, and so on.
And so you're a full band, singers and everything like that?
Yeah, full band in terms of 5 musicians, 3 lead singers. Trinell is one of our singers. Then we have Travis Reed. We also work alongside Andre Shepherd, which...
he should have been here.
He should have been here this morning.
It's all right, Andre. We don't have you up. Get well soon, Andre. We love you same way.
So it has been a very good journey from its inception till now. Even though there's always been a lot of challenges, ups and downs, but we try to keep
work
it together.
through them. Okay, so talk to me about releases. Have you put out any original work? Are there plans to put out original work?
Yes, we had released a song called "We Can Make It" back in.
Trinell's.
Yeah, she was a part of that. She's a part of that project, but it's a collective collaboration in terms of Ban and Trinell Robinson.
So who wrote that song?
It was written by Mr. Storer.
Whatcha? Mr. Storer is the... Jordan, written by Jordan Storer. And what led you to write that song, Jordan? I won't be able to hear you from back there.
Oh, sorry. Yes, so it was an inspiration from, when I think it was when the COVID just came out, and a lot of persons were depressed and down. So I just thought that I would have written something to encourage people, to know that regardless of what's happening, we can make it out.
So wait, was that song done this morning?
No.
So why would you bring the whole ensemble with Trinell and the dominant progression? Let me finish cussing you off. Why would you bring the whole gathering and not do the We Can Make It?
The reason for that, as I said, is a collaboration. The other 2 members that's a part of that song, they weren't able to be here this morning.
And who are we talking about?
We're talking about, as I mentioned, Travis Reed and QC.
And what are their instruments? Or they sing as
singers,
well?
Singers as well.
So we're missing out on the We Can Make It? I feel away. Feel away, Matthew.
Certainly, we'll be back. We'll be back shortly. We'll be back shortly, and definitely you'll hear it live.
Okay. All right. I hope so. So what can persons look forward to? I mean, we got a taste of it today, but what can we look forward to from the Dominant Progression Band? Great name, by the way.
Yes.
Great name. Yes. So what do we look forward to? What can persons anticipate from you in the very near future?
So in the very near future, as I said, we are working closely now with Mr. Andre Shepherd. So we have some projects working on that we'll be releasing for this year, and also for the Dominant Progression Band as well. We're going back into production to continue some work that we have started. We are taking a break from production really because of the inflow or I'd say the business of events flowing in that we have to cover and all of that. So now that the period has slowed down, we'll be basically going back into production as it is right now.
Okay. Is there any, or are there any artists you would love to play with, or any other musicians that you would love to collaborate with? Anybody? Dream. You're on air.
Well, yeah, definitely. In terms of our dreams or aspiration in terms of playing for certain artists, we're looking at what Jordan, Beres Hammond. Even though we know that he has this band already, but he was one of our persons who were in, because as a band and as a company, well, we have a company called PHE, Polyphonic Sounds Entertainment.
I've been seeing that coming up with different artists, Victor Brown, different
artists and all of that. So the band falls under that business. That's how we operate. We basically have 2 events that we have started off as our own. One is called Sounds of the Heart that we did in July of last year.
Mm-hmm.
Then we did recently in December other show called Music Meets Comedy, and all of that. So those shows that we are putting on for ourselves is basically to collaborate with the more established artists,
Right.
to bring them on board. D Major, I must mention, and have to big him up, has been a part of our progress as
Mhm.
well in terms of support. Always coming out to support whenever we call on him, and we have to big him up for that. So, as I say, going forward, artists that we want to play for, collab with, we're looking at Dennis Brown. There was a thing there. There was an opportunity to also partner with Nesbeth and all of that. I think that connection is still there.
Mhm.
So it's just to make use of them. As I said, what had happened is that because of the constant gigs coming in terms of private functions and our corporate, the band got really busy doing that and basically drove us away from production. But as I said, now that everything has slowed down, we're going back into production.
Well, it sounds like progress on all fronts, in studio and on stage. And so we congratulate you. And of course, we look forward to hearing more about what you get up to, because the collaboration and all the efforts will certainly yield good fruit. All right?
We'll definitely.
Yes.
And I have to say thank you to Sir Mikey Thompson as well for the opportunity, and for also the young treasures. We'll definitely.
It's a groundbreaking show. It's the first one, and you being part of it is an honor, and we're hoping that it can go as far as it can go to really give voice and to an exposure to the talents, the young talents. We're looking for quality, not the crass. There's too much of that. We want the quality so people can hear the diversity of the music. The musicians, whichever music instrument you play on, the mastery of it, and the productions that is coming out. We want to give really a wide berth to our music. So we thank you so very much.
Yeah, thank you also for having me.
All right, that's
pleasure's all ours.
Matthew Green, band manager. We do have to head out of here.
Yeah,
but we
have to say.
We do want to say thanks to all our guests this morning. This has been a celebration of Dennis Emmanuel Brown, and we were joined this morning by some young treasures. Trinell Robinson was with us. Daniel John Jackson is part of the Dominant Progression Band, and also members Matthew Harrison on lead guitar, Mario Marshall on bass, Jordan Stora on keyboard, and of course Matthew Green on percussion and band manager. I'm Yashika Graham, your producer, sitting in for our host Diane Thomas this morning. Diane, you left me. All right, but she'll be back next week, and we say thanks to our other team member. Yes, Mikey?
Happy birthday to Edson.
I'm getting
You're
there.
Getting there. No,
Yes.
I don't have to say it before we finish.
All right, so we say thanks to our team members, Paul Dennis, broadcast engineer, Norman Price for graphics and social media, Michael Thompson, DJ and sound engineer, and big thanks to Edson Johnson for streaming and tech support. And extra cool big up to Edson. Today is his birthday, and he is on the job. So we say even bigger thanks to you. Thanks for coming out, Edson, and lending us your support, and for all that you do here at Cool. Happy birthday to you. And thanks to all our behind-the-scenes team and to our sponsors, Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creations Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine, Braham's Texaco, striving for excellence always at 15 Harbour Street, Port Antonio in Portland. And of course, Yvonne Hope and Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering and Key Mix Audio. This has been another edition of Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM. I'm Yashika Graham. What good?
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.